Good morning, dear children. To get ready for class, we completed trigonometry. Successfully we completed. Slowly we did. Now I am going to another new chapter, progressions. So, in this is sixth chapter, paper 1, belongs to paper 1. 1 to 7 chapters belongs to first paper, and 7 to 8 to 14 belongs to second paper. Now, what is the progressions? You might have observed the introduction. What is the progressions? You might have observed that in nature many things follow a certain pattern, such as the petals of a sunflower, the cells of honeycomb, the grains on a maize cob, the spirals on a pineapple, and on a pine cone. Can you see a pattern in each of the above given example? You can see the natural patterns have a repetition which is not progressive. The identical petals of the sunflower are equidistantly grown. In a honeycomb, identical hexagonal shaped cells are arranged symmetrically around each hexagonal cell. Similarly, we can find out other natural patterns in spirals of pineapple. See, we see in nature some patterns, flowers greenly, in honeycomb, grains of maize cob, and the spirals on a pineapple. So these are all arranged in a certain pattern. Petals of a sunflower, honeycomb, the maize, grains of maize, the spirals of a pineapple. So in nature there are so many, mainly in flowers and in grains, maize. Can you see a pattern in each of the above example? Okay. You can look for some other patterns in nature. Some examples are, yes, the last list of the last digits of the values 4, 4 squared, 4 power 1, 4 cubed, 4 power 4, and 4 power 5, 4 power 6 is last digits. Last digits in last digits 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6. This is a pattern. Mary doing a problem on patterns as part of preparing for a MAT exam. One of them is find the next two terms in the following pattern. 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, 20, 22. 1, 2, 4, 10, 20, 22. Usha applied for a job and got selected. She has been offered a job with a starting monthly salary 8,000, increment 8,000. 8,000 salary. Increment, every year growth. Increment 500. Our salary for first year, second year, third year is yes will be first 8,000, next 8,500, 9,000, etc. Every year 500 increases. The length of the rungs of a ladder decreases uniformly by 2 centimeters from the bottom to top. Bottom rung ladder, rungs of ladder of a ladder decreases uniformly 2 centimeters, decreases 2 centimeters from bottom to top. Bottom rung was 45. Next rung will be 43, decreasing centimeters. Next 41, next 39, next 37, next 35 dash. So go on decreasing. When you see any relationship between the terms, the pattern of amount written above. Pattern given in example 1 has repetitive pattern where 4, 6 are repeating alternatively. Now try to find the pattern 2. In examples 3 and 4, relationship between the numbers in each list constantly progressive. In this given list, 8,800, 8,500, 9,000, each succeeding terms obtained by adding 500 to the preceding term. Whereas 45, 43, 41, each succeeding term is obtained by adding -2 to each preceding term. Now we can see some more examples of progressive patterns. So you follow this given in page number 130. Just read once. Patterns can be written in many ways. In many ways. N squared minus 1, n squared plus 1, 2n squared, n squared, n squared minus 1, 2n squared plus 1 in any manner. N of n plus 1, these are all patterns. N of n plus 1, n of n squared plus 1 minus 1 also we can take. See, these are all patterns where n stands for natural numbers. But in this pattern, these are the patterns differently, but uniformly increasing or decreasing. Suppose, see this first number 5, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 3, 14, 17 and etc. In this pattern, it is growing, it is increasing uniformly. 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 40, 14 plus 3, 70, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 3, 23. So this is a list of numbers adding a constant number. The constant number is difference. Difference B is 3. Add This is a list of numbers obtained by adding a constant number to the preceding one. Preceding one. Preceding number we are getting. Sometimes it is 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, dash. We are decreasing, but uniformly decreasing. 20, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. It is a list of numbers adding a fixed number minus 2 to the preceding one. Preceding one means in front of the number, first number. So preceding number, such numbers, this series is called arithmetic progression. We call this as arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, we say this is AP. Very simple arithmetic progression. The list of numbers obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding one, to the preceding number, to the preceding number. Here adding minus 2, here plus 3. We can add plus numbers, we can add negative numbers. So this is arithmetic progression. Aryabhatta is our mathematician, Indian mathematician who introduced these progressions, arithmetic progression, and formulas for all these series. Brahmagupta, Mahavira, Bhaskara are considered the sum of squares and cubes. So I will explain one by one. Here, the list of numbers are increasing gradually or decreasing. We call this is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, AP, short form. It is a list of numbers. List of numbers in which each term except first one, except the first term, obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term, Yes. These are the list of numbers obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding one except the first term. In this, we take first term as A, we are adding the fixed term D, difference we say. And then we can write the series, AP series. AP series. First number A. Generally we write first term A. Difference D. So you have to add the term fixed number A plus D. Next A plus 2D. Again adding D. Again adding D. Again adding D. Next. Dash, dash, dash. This is first term. This is second term. This is third term. This is fourth term. This is fifth term. By observing this, we can write this as here 5 is there, 4 is there. 4 is there, 3 is there. 3 is there, here 2. By observation, we are getting one less. Suppose sixth term. Sixth term, A plus 5D. Adding 1D. So one number less. So we can write this as A plus 6 minus 1 of D. We can write this as A plus 5 minus 1 of D. This is A plus 4 minus 1 of D. This is A plus 3 minus 1 of D. This is A plus 2 minus 1 of D. Because here 1 is there. And this is A plus 1 minus 1 of D. 0. 0 into D, only A. Similarly, nth term, this is nth term. Nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 of t. So your n minus 1, 6 minus 5 minus 4. So this is nth term of AP series. Nth term of AP series. Pth term. Pth term is A plus P minus 1 of t. Mth term. A plus M minus 1 of t. Kth term. A plus K minus 1 of t. 10th term. A plus 10 minus 1 of t. 10 minus 1 of t. That is 90. That is A plus 90. 20th term. A plus 20 minus 1. This is A plus 19D. Like that we can write any term of the series. Now we find the formula nth term of the AP series. Here nth term of the AP series. In what is the nth term, we can write An is equal to here A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, An. We can write this as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and this is An, nth term of the series. First term is A. The difference is D, constant term adding. Adding constant term is taken as D. Why we are using D? Difference. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 of D. Here n stands for nth term, A stands for first term, nth term difference. Like this we have to find. This is the formula for finding any required term by using this. Suppose 50th term. 50th term is equal to a plus 50 minus 1 of b. That is a plus 40 90. You can write directly a plus 40 90 also. Suppose 100th term. 100th term. 100th term is equal to a plus 100 minus 1. Now a plus 90 90 times a plus 24d is which term? A plus 24d, 24 n minus 1 of d. That is a 25. 25. A plus 99d, 100th term, a 100. A 100th term. Suppose a plus 69d is which term? 69, 70 minus 1. So n is a70. Like that, the term of AB series is a plus n minus 1 of d. This is the formula. Nth term of AB series. Nth term of AB arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. It is a list of numbers obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding one except the first one. It is a list of numbers in which each term except the first term obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. It may be d may be plus or minus, sometimes plus, sometimes minus. So this is the formula. Please write down how to find nth term of d. How we are writing this much. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, like that. Generally, first term is taken as a difference added. Difference is the constant number. Difference is d. Now we can arrange like this. Sixth term a plus 5d. But we can write this as like 6 more. Sixth term 6 minus 1. Fifth term 5 minus 1. Fourth term 4 minus 1. Third term like that. Nth term is a plus n minus 1 of d. One number less. So this is the formula for finding nth term of the series. AB series. Now general form of AP. General form of AP arithmetic progression. Difference is same. It is a series of numbers which have same difference. Is first term A. We are adding the fixed number D. Next adding D, 2D. and the next 3D, a plus 3D, next a plus 4D, dash dash dash. We say this is general form. General form, in this general form, we have letters A, D. And every term is added by D. A. To the A, we are adding D, fixed number. Again adding D, 2D. Again adding D, 3D. Again adding D, 4D. Like that. A plus 5D, A plus 6D, A plus 7D, A plus 8D. Going on adding to the preceding term. Preceding term is this is first term, this is second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. If I write here A plus some 16D, I don't suppose. 16D. This is which term? By observation 16D. So 17 minus 1. So this is 17th term. This is 17th term. A7. A17 we have to write. 16, 17 minus 1. Or add 16 plus 1. So like that, we find the nth term of AP series. So let us start problems tomorrow onwards. Thank you. Please go through these examples. Study the matter. What is arithmetic progression? Now it is very clear. See 6, 10, 14, 18, dash dash. This is AP series. Why we say this is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers which has same equal intervals, equal difference. 16 minus 10 minus 6, 4. 14 minus 10, 4. 18 minus 14, 4. So this is these list of numbers obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms. By observation, we say here A is 6, first term, and difference D is 4. How to get D? Difference adding number second term minus first, or third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term. Like this we have to do. Let us do exercise problems tomorrow onwards.